Hi everyone, welcome back to Zalfa's home. I'm Zalfa Fatima. Today I'm going to give you a tour of Khorfakkan Waterfalls, Amphitheater and Shis Park. This is a 45-meter high waterfall located in Khor Fakkan. Although the waterfall is man-made, it was carved out of natural rock and is often illuminated at night. This structure was built with viewing windows at the top, which are sometimes open to the public. This is a newly built amphitheater which covers over 1,700 meters square, located in Khorfakkan next to the waterfall, and it can accommodate over 3,500 audiences. It was designed with a state-of-the-art cooling system, making it a ideal outdoor venue for the events. Visitors can also sample delicious dishes at the amphitheater's restaurant and cafe. Shis Park is located in Khor Fakkan. The park was constructed in 8 months and it covers an area of 11,362 meters square. And this is a 25-meter high artificial waterfall. This is a children's play area and 32 shaded seating areas for families. It also has an outdoor theater that can accommodate 70 people and a barbecue area. This is a 506 meters of walkways throughout 3 mountain terraces connected by stone stairs leading to the main viewing platform at a height of 30 meters from the main park level. Shis Park was inaugurated on 15th October 2020 by the ruler of Sharjah, Sheikh Sultan bin Mohammed Al Qasimi.